Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich in 60 seconds.
All right, let's get into making this beauty. We're going to cut this bread right down Broadway. I got a little Dijon mustard, some mayo. That's what I chose. If you want to put something different, go right ahead. I put it on both sides because you got to. Then we got a little calabrese salami, some prosciutto di Parma, and then we got the, depends on who you ask and where you're from, we got the capicola or the gabagool, whatever. You guys argue it out in the comments. I don't care. I got to give some to Ben, a little to me, because you got to have a little treat while you make these beautiful sandwiches. Then we got the cherry peppers. I chopped those up. Those are going on. And then we got some nice provolone that's going to be topped off. And then do you think it's done? It's not done. We got more. We're going to put it in the grill pan and press it. Get it nice and crispy on both sides. Melt up that cheese. I got to tell you, these sandwiches they may not be the most healthy, but they are the most delicious. They never go wrong, and you come up with some of your best ideas when making them.
You know, being an Italian kid from Queens, New York, I went to a Catholic high school, and because of that, they usually tailored the menu to the Italians. And I'll never forget, on Wednesdays, they had this sandwiches with pepperoni, provolone, hero, and the cheese was melted. I thought at the time it was delicious. It wasn't that good. And so I decided that I was gonna do the better version of that here today. And I made an Italian melt. And that's another sandwich in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.